सभी दर्शकों का स्वागत है हमारे इस वर्चुअल प्लेटफॉर्म पे। इसके प्रीवियस कंटेंट में हमने आपके साथ शेयर किया था कि हम एक इंस्टीट्यूट एस्टैब्लिश कर रहे हैं जो कि एक गोल ओरिएंटेड इंस्टीट्यूट रहेगा फॉर द सेक्टर ऑफ EV as well as solar and those technology who are, we can say, environment saving technology. Suppose consider first of all electric vehicle. So I think so. Anyway, we don't need to write on board because in this screen later goes opposite side due to mirror effect, so we don't need to write by pen. So the important thing is that why we establish institute, because we have already lots of institute run by the state government or central government. So what is the requirement for new establishment of institute? So the main reason is behind it, central government or state government or any other existing institute have, we can say, have no any proper we can say provision for the development of advanced chemistry cell technology, as well as we can say very great efficient powertrain technology for the four-wheeler project, or we can say heavy vehicle project, as well as regarding to solar technology. We are right now achieving in case of monocrystalline technology, we are just flying between 2022 to 2026. Our monocrystalline PV module technology efficiency is just behind 22% to 27%. So that's why we need to increase our efficiency for the solar PV module, as well as we need to increase our efficiency in case of electric vehicle by, we can say, by range parameter. Means I am discussing about the when in a single charge our vehicle should be our vehicle mileage should be between plus 400 to 700. This is hope by us. This is purely hope by us. We will definitely dedicate it for achieving this kind of range in the EV sector, that is the four-wheeler as well as heavy vehicles. So in heavy vehicles there is right now there is two kind of vehicle. First one is public bus and second one is goods transportation, that is trucks. So in India we are going to work on EV trucks. So definitely we need to study deeper in case of advanced chemistry cell technology, so that we can increase our range of electric vehicle and also the efficiency as well as the life of battery system, or we can say our chemical cell, or we can say chemistry cell. So मैं आप सभी से ये रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगा कि जितने भी हमारे नियर बाय के जो हमारा इंस्टीट्यूट अभी हम एस्टैब्लिश कर रहे हैं वो इन द सिटी ऑफ अमरावती कर रहे हैं, और हम फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमारे अमरावती सिटी के रेसिडेंट को रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहेंगे कि वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इस प्रैक्टिकल जॉब ओरिएंटेड गोल ओरिएंटेड ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम में खुद को एनरोल करें और इस वी कैन से एनवायरनमेंट सेविंग मूवमेंट का हिस्सा बने। और हमने जो इसके अंदर फीस रखी है काफ़ी कम रखी है, only you need to pay, I think so, 12,000 rupees for solar, as well as 24,000 for the electric vehicle training program. So again I repeat, 12,000 for the solar technology program and 24,000 for the electric vehicle training program. And the duration for this course is near about 90 days. After completion of 90 days training program, opportunity open for you to join our internship program on the model. So again, there is any strict discipline introduced by the proposed institute. You should proper your dress code and ID, as well as biometric attendance. So these are the formalities demanded by the institute, and our new institute address will be introduced very shortly with the help of this virtual communication. So right now we are going to stop here. बस आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हमारे इस एक्टिविटी को प्रमोट करना है, एंड आवर प्राइमरी एक्टिविटी इज इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल टेक्नोलॉजी एक्टिविटी एज वेल एज सोलर एनर्जी टेक्नोलॉजी एक्टिविटी, जो कि हम अभी यहाँ से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं अमरावती सिटी से. सो अगेन I would like to request you all candidate nearby the Amravati city, or we can say nearby the Amravati district, सभी से हम प्रार्थना करेंगे कि वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हमारे साथ जुड़े और इस अभूतपूर्व अपॉर्चुनिटी का हिस्सा बने. धन्यवाद. पढ़ते रहिए. कीप रीडिंग, कीप लर्निंग, कीप स्प्रेडिंग नॉलेज टू द सोसाइटी. Thanks a lot. You are watching Dare to Speech, and I am NW Manohar. Thanks for watching this valuable content.